try this again with a video instead of a live, since the signal's pretty bad. It's been bad all week. I think the ice storm might have did some damage to some of the lines or towers up north around Jasper. Caused the signal to be kind of weak. So anyway, been out here all day raking and burning and burning and raking and digging and cutting, and I've burned a lot of this. This is what's left. I've been burning all day, so some of this is left from where I pulled it out of the dirt in the ground. It's kind of wet. It's been taking a while to burn, but tortoises are already put up in their box. But yeah, I've been trying to rake all this down and get all the little pieces of rock and pieces of, chips of wood. Still got some stumps that hopefully I can get burn out before I start cutting. Already started burning this one. That's just so when I'm cutting, even though this is technically not my property, the line is right through here, so it's kind of right on. I guess this is maybe on my property, literally right on the line. My property line is where the end of the fence is, a little post right beside it, all the way out to that little post out in the front. So anyway, got to get this stump going. Guy's supposed to come back and grind that one. A lot of ruts from where the trucks were coming in here. Started burning last night, trying to get a head start on this little stump. It's not bad, but I'll get it in time. That stump's got to be ground down. You can see the ruts in my yard from where the trucks drove across. But this ground's really soft if it's a little bit wet. If it's hard, it's dry. It's hard as concrete. So that makes for a bumpy ride when I'm cutting, unless I get get something, maybe bring some dirt in, kind of level it out, let the grass grow. This little tree, this one little tree, I think I'm gonna take it down. I've got one tree over there on one side of the driveway, then this one right here. I think I'm just gonna take this one down as well. So yeah, here's the property line, straight back there to the fence. So all of this will get, hopefully, now that all this is gone over here, that kept grass from growing for years, hopefully this grass will just run out here in the next year or two, and we can have a nice grassy hill alongside this ditch. So anyway, kind of what I've been doing all day. Ready to get these stumps going so I can get all this kind of leveled out. Privacy fence will come from the corner of the house. House is going to get pressure washed, painted, hopefully. Come off the corner of the house out to about here, and then back to that corner along the property line. So yeah, temperature is dropping. I think it's going to be very, very cold overnight. And I'm about to call it a day. Jump into tortoise pen. I just put them in about an hour ago and turned their heater on. So you can see they got their heater there, and then they got their pads on the bottom. So they stay toasty in that box. It stays about 65, 70 degrees even when it's freezing out here. But anyway, been a long day. I'm gonna call it quits. Let these fires just kind of piddle out. The old fire pit is dwindling. I knew I wasn't going to sit out here once it got down in the 30s, so let that just kind of burn itself out, finish up that last log. That was a big log. It stretched all the way across this thing. It was bigger than these. So still got to get that stump burned out over there. So anyway, I am going to call it a day. Peace out, everybody.